So normally this would be a video where I would speak Swedish, I would have subtitles and all of that. But I've been trying to wrap my brain around life these last couple of weeks because, you see these memories on Facebook, like 1 year ago you were in London having the time of your life. And then you're slowly crawling towards that, that mid-March date when everything changed, when all the plans went out the window. And, I feel like I've been strong through it, There was a period when I went down south, visit family and friends, still at a distance over the summer. And then, new job, things started rolling and, Christmas, and then we had snow, light. But man, I'm tired. And I feel like I am not making the kinds of videos I want to make. A lot of that is, of course, because of the pandemic, the way that it, hinders me from doing videos with other people. It hinders me from traveling and doing like the kind of videos, the kind of stuff that gives me energy, and of course friends, this constant distance and distancing from friends is really starting to take its toll. And I know that there will be a brighter day soon. The weather will be warmer, vaccine is coming, at least for here. So it's not like I just want to pass through this. I still want to add value both to my life and to what I do on this platform. And this is not one of those suggest me things to do on YouTube, because that's not the problem. The problem is the energy that I need to bring up in order to do it. And with so many things, in my personal life, which is reflective of, the personal life of a lot of people, because we're all in this together, I really find it hard right now. I really find it hard right now because, I'm a man of principle. I'm a man of, if I say I'm going to do something, I'm going to do it. But you can only force yourself so much to do it. It has to come from, inspiration and then want to do it, and not just, a set schedule. So I guess this is one of those videos where I kind of pause it. And I know for a fact that once I've finished filming this video, I will feel better, because once you've said it out loud, it normally does feel better. But at the same time, I do feel like I have a responsibility to my creative process, and to the people that follow me, because even though, I don't get the hundreds of thousands of views, I still get, tens of views and hundreds of views and thousands of views, overarching the entire channel and so many videos. And I know that there are people who watch my videos every week. And some of them even tell me that, which is one of those really good ways to give me energy, is to really, just give me all the energy you can. Give me all the mega energy so I can evolve into this amazing person for 8 hours. Sorry, that was a Pokemon Go joke. But I'm tired, and I really want to keep going, but I feel like I need an inspirational kick. And like I said, normally I would get that from traveling. How are you today? Let's focus on you. How are you feeling today? You can be honest, or you can just, put whatever you want out there. How are you feeling today? And do you have a way of reversing that feeling, if that feeling is a negative, or if that feeling is not the perfect feeling? Do you have a way to do that? I mean, I haven't had lunch, so that also kind of builds into, the whole... So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and make myself some very late lunch, and I'm going to sit and watch some Netflix, and I'm going to have ice cream after the lunch. I'm going to make myself feel good in that sense. So sorry that this is not one of those traditional videos where you pick up a word or something in Swedish. I just felt like I needed to just get some of this off my chest.